Stocks and news. For that, let's go to Navneet and Yatin. Navneet, as always, you go first with the large cap list.
Morning, Nikunj. To start off with, keep an eye on United Spirits in today's trading session. Well, the much-awaited deal with Diageo. Today Economic Times reported that the deal could be announced today. Remember, the company would also be releasing its quarterly numbers today. And according to Economic Times, Diageo will have control over the company, and they would be picking up about 25% stake in the company, which will trigger an open offer. So post the open offer, the stake which Diageo will have in the company would be anywhere between the range of 45 to 51%, and deal will be a mix of picking up Vijay Mallya's stake of about 12%. There would be a preferential allotment. Also, Diageo would be buying treasury stock, and so Diageo would be paying anywhere between 1500 to 1600 crore for this deal. And the stock touched 52-week high yesterday itself. So keep an eye on this particular counter. If you look at the return on YTD basis, it's up about 173%, and currently it's trading above its 20-day moving average. And moving on to Sun Pharma, keep an eye on that counter. Company released its earnings yesterday, but post-market hours there was news that the company would be acquiring a US-based Dusa Pharmaceuticals at $8 per share. Well, the Sun Pharma would be paying about $230 million for the deal, and the deal is valued at about 38% to yesterday's closing. So keep an eye on Sun Pharma also. And if you look at the counter on YTD basis, it's given return of about 40%.
Yatin, what about your list of small and mid-cap stocks?
Good morning, Aisha. The first stock to watch out for will be Indian Hotels, and do remember the company had bid for Orient Group of Hotels, which is a US-based luxury hotel chain. But now the Orient Hotels management has rejected the bid of Indian Hotels, citing valuation concerns. Do remember when Indian Hotel had initially bid for Orient Group of Hotels, it was at a 40% premium to the current market capitalization. But despite that heavy premium, the Orient management feels that the Indian Hotel bids given by the Tatas has been slightly undervalued. Well, we had the Deutsche Bank, which was advising Orient Express on this particular deal valuation, but now that they have officially, kind of rejected the bid from Indian Hotels, now Indian Hotels might look at other options as far as the acquisition is concerned. If you talk about the total deal, this is the third time that Orient Express is rejecting Indian Hotels bid. Let's see whether Indian Hotels increases the valuations for Orient Express, because that will be an important point to watch out for, because they have already bid for a valuation of close to $1.8 billion. Coming then to Cinemax, and the stock is buzzing ever since it has relisted its theatre business. Now the company has been in talks, according to media reports, with private equity funds like Actis and Cinepolis for selling a majority stake. The promoter would like to exit and focus into the real estate business, is what the news reports are suggesting. However, the management has declined to comment on this particular event and has said they are not in talks with any kind of a player as far as the stake sale is concerned.